Hey, summer is here. It is time to splash into summer here at the Charles Mill Marina. We have a great selection of 50 new boats in stock and great incentives to get you on the water this summer. We're offering up to $5,000 off our tritoons, $3,000 off our deck boats, and up to $2,000 off our pontoons that we have in stock. On top of that great promotion, we are also going to offer $1,000 in trade-in credit for qualifying trade-in. So if you're looking to get into a new boat, now is an absolute great time. If a new boat's not in the cards for you this summer and you're still looking to get into the water, we do have a great selection of used boats here as well. So if you're looking for something pre-owned, great options there as well. Our sales team is in 9 to 5 daily. We'll be happy to go through the boats with you, get you a look at them, or if you have questions, feel free to give us a call or a text at 419-368-5951. We can't wait to see you on the water soon.